Hello dear students, I, Dr. Khyati Vadher, an assistant professor in English working at JJCET Commerce and BBA College Junagadh, affiliated to Bhakta Kavi Narsi Mehta University, heartily welcome you all to the YouTube video lecture series for English and Business Communication subjects.
The Modal Millionaire. Appearances can be deceptive. Do you agree with the statement? Let us go through a story to find out how appearances can deceive. Huey Erskine is a handsome, young man who has been unlucky in financial matters. He has failed at several businesses. His only source of income is £200 a year, which he receives from an elderly aunt. A young woman named Laura Merton and Huey love each other. Laura's father would marry Laura to Huey if he earns £10,000. Once, Huey pays a visit to his painter friend Alan Trevor. Alan is busy painting the portrait of an old man. The old man is wearing torn clothes and boots, so Huey thinks he's a beggar. Huey feels sorry for the man. He gives a sovereign to the old man, who is happy to receive it. Alan and Huey meet up again later. Alan tells Huey that the old man asked a lot of questions about him, so he told him about Huey, Laura, and the condition that Laura's father has put for marriage. Huey is upset with Alan for disclosing his private life. But Alan laughs and tells that the man wasn't a beggar, but was Baron Horsburgh, one of the wealthiest men in Europe. Alan further tells Huey that Baron had requested to be painted as a beggar for reasons unknown to him. Huey feels ashamed about having given a coin to a millionaire. Next day, one of Baron's representatives arrives at Huey's house and hands him an envelope. The writing on the envelope says that it contains a wedding present from an old beggar. Inside the envelope, Huey finds a check for £10,000. Huey and Laura get married. Baron Horsburgh attends their wedding. Remember, looks can be deceptive, and it is important to balance wealth and generosity.
So students, share your feedback in comment section below. How was this video for you? What did you learn from this video? If you like this video, subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my all upcoming videos. Till then, enjoy learning. Bye bye.